Khoroksa Govt Engineer Nogo Manjakha Crore Crore Rangmari te Kwbangkuk Properties Patimung Odisha Behera Amchaini Koktwma Odisha Police ni Chaitogwi Naitokmungo Abohai Mangpili Kasawi Phaikha Sikangono Odisha ni dal bidal thaya corruption khlaijangmani Koktwma Kasawi phaimani a hasteno free corruption khlainani bagai sakthan monaharga Odisha Police abo haikana a salo Bhubaneswar court ni warrant to bai Odisha ni Bhubaneswar Balasori Jaipurte Baligorao Kaiburi town ni simi kaichuku thayo khlaijaka red abo haikana Khoroksa Govt Engineer ni Nogo thangai red khlaika police a thayano patika wana masingcha Patimung tamoni bagai hingke police red khlaimani jora Khoroksa Govt Engineer Nogo Manjakha Crore Crore Rangmari a Patimung ni yagolo achaikha dal bidal sungmung Khoroksa Govt employee ni Nogo bahaike Crore Crore Rangman ka hinai.
On the allegation of possession of disproportionate assets by one Vaikuntanath Behera, Assistant Executive Engineer, ITDA, Baliguda, in the district of Kondamar. Simultaneous raids were conducted at 9 places today, including his residential building, paternal building, office, residential government quarter, etc. During vigilance raid today, we detected 5 high-rising buildings, 13 valuable plots in and around Bhubaneswar, gold ornaments, cash, and some bank deposits. During raid, we have recovered around 2 crore and 4 lakhs hard cash.
So it has been recovered from bank locker or from his house?
It includes recovery of cash from his house and locker.
Sir, all buildings were palatial building and
almost palatial buildings. Valuation of the buildings are going on. We have not yet received financial details. We will share updates later on.
Sir, what will be the cost roughly? All these buildings and property?
That we can't say right now. After completion of investigation and inquiry, we will share.
All
calculation is going on.
All are above 1 crore.
Abo haikana arang rok boroni tubo khate Patimungo sabo korongjak tong abonotoi Chaitogwi Naitokmungo ongkhorjak tabuk police fiaba asalo abo haikana Kwbangkuk Rangmari Nogo manjangmani Patimung notoi Chaitogwi Naitokmungo ongkhorjak tabuk Bhubaneswar thanani police. Report Chini Khorang.